came back, kind of an unusual thing for me to do on a day before I would have to work, but decided to make the most of it and come back to Hollywood Studios. There's a couple of things I haven't done in a while. One was the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular, which we're going to try to fit that in. Might try to do the Frozen show just because I haven't done it yet. And Star Wars Land's open now, so we're going to cruise through there. But one of the first ride fast passes that we've got is going to be the Slinky Dog Dash. So we're going to head over to Toy Story Land and give that a try. Oh, actually a lot from up here.
Unbelievably heavy. Seriously, it took 20 guys to put that back in place.
Yep, obviously the other 18 hold up sick to them.
Okay, you got me. It's not a real boulder, but yeah.
I must tell you, we're having a couple of mechanical issues on our airplane scene, and that's the one that takes place right after we do the scene here in Cairo. Normally we move these buildings out of the way. We do a scene in the north after.
Position. Thank you very much, Carlos. All right, let me know when cameras are ready, McVeigh.
Cameras are ready.
All right, we need quiet on the set, and roll.
Rolling. Speed.
Thomas 6124 Apple. Cairo encounter. Take 1 heart.
Playback, background.
Action.
Has no skull and no bones.
I don't have a skull. Or bone.
So glad you're here. The royal historians have been telling
very good story you told.
Since Star Wars Land is open to everybody, we're going to take a quick stroll through Batuu over to Toy Story Land. Man alive, I tell you, that just never gets old. It's pretty awesome.
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Go back on the stick to fly out. Made the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent, now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Into the center. Well, it's harder than it looks. Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! Let's get out of here! Yes! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Don't worry, but we made it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to be great job, my friends! You retrieved one container of coaxium. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon. Yes. Oh, that feels rough.
The spy was trapped here. A small outpost on a small planet. Your mission was clear.
I will dispatch a reconnaissance.
You will await further orders.
This is too awesome. Might have to come in here one day and spend the money for a droid just for the experience. For only 25,000 credits, you can have your very own R2 unit.
I just did not $75.
Life-size custom.
Check out that blaster mark, man. That's awesome. Whoa, it's even got residual melted metal, I guess. I don't know. Or, anyway, cool.